5 AI coding tools that are completely free. No subscription, no credit card, no trial that expires. These run on your machine. Your data stays private and they cost $0 forever. I tested all 5. Here's what actually works. Number 1, Ada, 39,000 GitHub stars. This is the best free AI pair programmer available right now. You run it in your terminal, describe what you want in plain English, and it edits your code directly. Multiple files at once. And here's what makes it special. Every single change gets automatically committed to Git with a descriptive message. So every AI edit is reviewable, revertible, and auditable. It works with GPT, Claude, and local models through Ollama. Meaning, you can use it with zero API costs if you run a local model. Open source. Free forever. Number 2, Continue.dev. An open source VS Code and JetBrains extension that gives you Copilot style, autocomplete, and chat for free. Point it at any model provider, OpenAI, Anthropic, or your own self-hosted endpoint. The key feature, it's fully configurable. You choose the model, the provider, the context. You can run it completely offline with Ollama. No data leaves your machine. No monthly bill. Think of it as Copilot, but you own it. Number 3, Tabby, the strongest self-hosted Copilot alternative in 2026. You host it on your own server or machine. It plugs into your IDE and gives you real-time code completions, exactly like Copilot, except your code never leaves your network. You can even fine-tune it on your own code base. So it learns your patterns, your conventions, your style, the trade-off. You need a GPU. But if you have one, this is the most private AI coding tool that exists. Zero data exposure, zero subscription. Number 4, Ollama. This is the engine that powers everything else on this list. Think of Ollama as Docker for AI models. One command downloads and runs any open source model locally. Llama, Mistral, CodeGemma, DeepSeek, Coder, Kimi K 2.6, all running on your machine. No API key, no cloud, no cost. And every tool I just mentioned, Ada, Continue, Tabby, they all connect to Ollama. Install Ollama first, then pick your tools. That's the stack. Number 5, Codex CLI. OpenAI's own coding agent. Open source. 76,000 GitHub stars. And here's what most people don't know. It has a free tier. You can use it with your ChatGPT free account for limited usage. It runs in your terminal, writes code, debugs, manages Git, and operates autonomously. The kernel level sandbox means it can't break your system, even if the AI tries something dangerous. If you want the closest thing to Claude Code without paying, this is it. 5 tools, all free, all open source. Ada for pair programming, Continue for IDE autocomplete, Tabby for self-hosted completions, Ollama as the engine, and Codex CLI for autonomous coding. You don't need to spend $1 to start coding with AI. Comment free for the PDF with every link and setup guide. Save this video, follow for more.